Hello guys, this is your friend Trademan Harsh. I hope that you are all doing great. You have great health, right? With this, let us get started. First of all, I want to tell you one thing that if you are enjoying our daily analysis, the daily analysis that we are giving on the stocks, on the crypto markets, also on the forex markets, then please like, share, and comment on this video, right? Also subscribe to this video, guys. That really motivates us a lot, right? So with this, let us get started. First of all, let us see the crypto index, what it is trying to tell us, and then we will see the Bitcoin. It is really ready to blast, right? One more thing, guys. At the end, there is a coin that is going to give you more than 200 to 300% returns. That is like tripling your money. Okay, so keep an eye on that also, and please see the entire video if you really want to know that what I'm trying to say and why I'm trying to tell you this, right? With this, let us get started. So as you can see over here, this is the crypto index that I regularly follow, right? Many other people, they follow different indices, but it doesn't matter because these are a few of the fundamental analysis. What we can say, the indices, the fundamental indices, yes, right? So we can follow this one. You can follow some other from verified broker, right? Yes. So let us get started. First of all, as you can see over here, guys, the crypto index, it is following a trend, right? It is a perfectly sideways trend, and also in the medium term, as you can see over here, it is a downtrend, right? But here, as you can see over here, this is like an accumulation phase for the crypto index, right? Yes. So look at this. This is a very important support area for the index, right? Now over here, as you can see, this is following a channel. So this was a channel and it gave a breakout, right? So this was a good channel, right? It gave a breakout. It retested over here. Again, it is sustaining above this trend line, and that is the very important thing, right? So what we can see over here, we are expecting this. Uh, as you can see over here, see. Wait. Yes. So as you can see over here, it will give a pattern like this, a W, and then break out, and then it would go up, right? So let us assume that it is going to break this level. First of all, when it breaks this level, now it will go like this over here, okay? Then at this point, it will face some resistance, and it will again come back, take a pullback, and then it will start going upside, right? So this is the pattern that we are expecting over here, right? So first of all, as you can see over here, there is a good potential target. If it breaks this one, then there is a very really good potential target, and it can reach 28,000 easily, right? So what is the target in the index? The index target, it is going to be, let us calculate, it's around 12%. 12% index target is really good. So it will the alternate coins that we are going to follow. They are going to easily give around 20-30% returns in this, right? Yes. Don't worry. The crypto that I have suggested is going to give you 200% returns in the medium term. Don't worry about that. Yes. So here, if we get a W pattern and if we see a breakout over here, then this will be a pattern overlapping example, right? So what is pattern overlapping? If you guys don't know, I will tell you this. One second. Yes. So as you can see over here, pattern overlapping mostly means that one pattern is overlapping the other, right? So here, this is a W pattern, right? The breakout will be given. So the targets of this W pattern will be this length, this height, yes. So this height, if we carry on over here, this is going to be like this. So it will be, the target will be around this. So it will be giving a breakout of this pattern, right? So this pattern will also be giving a breakout. So this will be like a cup, then it will show some resistance over here, then again a handle will be formed and it will be giving a breakout. So this will be the depth. So again a bigger target will be achieved. So this is what we call pattern overlapping, right guys? Yes. So this is going to happen when we get the breakout of this index, right? So now let us look at the cryptos that we are trying to tell. First of all, the Bitcoin, right? The benchmark of our crypto, the Bitcoin. Let's see what it's trying to show us. So over here, as you can see, it is trying to show us the exact same thing that the index is trying to show, right? So first of all, here as you can see, there is a upper trend line. Yes, so it will be facing resistance over here. So यहाँ पे, as you can see over here, right, it has already taken a resistance twice, right? Once, and again it's trying to take it over here, right? So if we see a breakout at this point, I'm pretty sure that it's going to be a really good breakout, and we can easily see some very good gains in Bitcoin. So let's see what the targets are going to be for Bitcoin, right? The Bitcoin targets that I am currently forecasting would be around this levels. Yes. So what are these levels? It is 30% target, right? If you can trade in the option segment, then it will be a really good target around 1,000 to 2,000% returns in the in the Bitcoin index, right? Yes. So you must be wondering how do you calculate these targets and everything, right? So first of all, guys, we can see over here that it is a pattern. Okay, so that's one thing. W's are always good for reversals. It has been in a downtrend for a long time, and now it's showing W. So that's a really good sign for us, right? The second thing that I'm going to show you is this. Remove this area for a while. Yes. So as you can see over here, look at the bounces that it's giving from the resistance area. So first time it touched the resistance, right? So over here. So what was the bounce? On the downside it's 28%, right? Now let's see the second time it bounced from this area. Yes, 23%, right? The third time over here it bounced, it's 17% or 18%, right? So it's showing that the strength of this resistance area is continuously decreasing, and that's really favorable for us, right? The sellers at this area are decreasing a lot, right? Yes. So sellers at this area are decreasing by a lot, right? Because it's showing weakness in the resistance, right? Because the bounces that we are getting are lesser and lesser, right? Yes. So that's a positive sign for us because the supply is decreasing over here and the demand is trying to increase, right? Even the volumes are getting right. So that's a good part for us. Yes. Now let's see the other coin that we I was trying to show you. Yes. So it's 1 inch. So I wanted to cover this in the yesterday's video, but what happened was that I fell asleep and was unable to make a record a video over here. Right? Yes. So don't worry about that. The move has just started, and I was trying to catch it over here, but due to the lack of sleep that I was suffering from, I fell asleep. Yeah. Yes. So over here, as you can see, 1 inch has been traveling in downtrend since a long time, right? And the targets that you can see on the upside are around $8, right? Yes. So you must be wondering how we got the target, what is it, and what not, and how are we spotting these reversals, right? So first of all, as you can see over here, this is the potential resistance area, okay? But we haven't really had any resistance till now, so we cannot consider it a resistance area. First, let it face some resistance from this area, and then if it goes down, then we can suggest really confirm that there is a resistance, and we can continue the downtrend on the lower sides, right? Yes. So first of all, as you can see over here, this is like a W pattern in formation, right? If it starts going upside, then we can see a really good pattern, right? But as you can see over here, this can also lead to a M pattern, okay, or double top pattern. So double top pattern, what is the area, right? So let's consider the targets. If it's a M pattern and if this is a breakdown, right? If this is a breakdown and it starts showing resistance from these areas again, right? Then we can lead, yes, then we can implement. What's happening, bro? Sorry. Yes. So if that happens, then we can see really good targets on the downside as well, right? Yes. But the volumes are increasing. Let it give a big closing above this area and we can start buying again because this will be like a short trapping for us, right? Yes, shorts will be trapped and then short covering will come and that will lead to a really good advantage for us, right? So this are the targets. What are the targets? 350% easy targets, right? But on the lower side, as we can see over here, it will go into negative. I don't think that it's gonna happen. Yeah, but still, if it breaks down, then this is gonna be a bloodbath in 1 inch, right? So keep an eye on this level. If this breaks out, then we can see easy targets, really good targets, right? And I will show you the trade. Wait. Yes. So here it is. The trade has been activated from my side. I'm trying to, take as much profit as possible from this move. Okay. Easily expecting the targets of $3. That is around 100% profits, right? 90%, 80% profit. Okay, and if this breaks out, then expect a rally till this level, that's $4, and also a potential target of around 170%, that is three times your money, right, guys? And if it continues, then I don't need to tell you what's going to happen. The W pattern will be formed, and it will give you a target of 500%, that's five times, right, guys? If you achieve these targets even after 3 4 months, then also five times target in 4 months, it's like around 5% CAGR every day. Okay, 5% ROI every day, right? Not CAGR. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Yes, and the second one is going to be Send. Yes, so this is also a stock that a crypto that I really like, right? And it is really doing great in the metaverse field, and that's the reason I'm trying to buy this coin as much as possible on every dip I get, right, guys? So here, as you can see, on this levels, I told you that you should be buying, right? So we bought over here in this accumulation area once, but if you did not see the video at that time, then let's see over here. The breakout has given, right, on this trend line. A very clean breakout has been given, a good volume has been delivered over here, then a retest has been taken, and then I think that if it tries to continue on the upper side, then we can see the new highs in the Send universe, right? Yes, so let it break this area and then you can start buying, right? The potential targets are going to be huge, so you don't need to worry about that, but keep a strict stop loss. If it goes under this area again, then it's gonna be a really bad time for us. We can see this areas of 2.17, that's around 50% of loss if we don't take the stop loss, right, guys? So high risk, high reward trade, to say the least, right? Let's see how we're gonna trade this. Wait. Also, one thing, guys, if you are not following us on our Instagram, then please do. We post regular trades on crypto markets and also on the commodities and stock markets as well. So it is really going to be helpful to you, and all this for free. I'm telling you guys, no one is going to deliver such knowledge to you for free. Okay? So here, it's around 150% profit. The risk to reward is going to be around 1 is to 6. 1 is to 6 risk to reward ratio in a swing trade. A really good risk to reward ratio, I must tell you guys, and we should be taking this trade. Yes, guys. So with this, I also have one coin that is gonna give you 1000% returns easily in around 2 to 3 months. But for that, you need to subscribe to my channel. Then only I'm gonna give you this video for free. Okay, guys. Also, stay well, stay happy, and keep following. Thank you.